Pinterest is a place that people go to discover, to be inspired. And if you're the type of photographer that creates inspiring images, well, then it's kind of where you need to be. A lot of people think that Pinterest is only for mommy bloggers and DIY craft experts. However, it's incredibly misunderstood. 250 million people use the platform every single month to create mood boards and to curate ideas for their next photo shoot. For a lot of photographers, what's blocking them is that they don't understand how marketing on this channel could help them grow their business. The secret of Pinterest is that you're using images you've already created. It's only gonna take you a couple of hours a month once you set up your strategy. And that's what we're gonna teach you, how to market your business with the platform. First, we'll sit down with a commercial photographer. We'll show you how to take your existing content and show you how to connect it to your target market, to what they are looking for when they go on Pinterest. We will also sit down with an event photographer and talk to them about the successes that they've had on Pinterest over the last year. We'll define all the confusing terms. We'll talk about how to use a scheduling tool so that you don't have to be pinning every single day. Pinterest was made for photographers. It rewards imagery at its core for you to gain more visibility for your brand, more traffic to your website, to continue to grow and expand your presence. I encourage you to take advantage of the step-by-step process we put together for you.